Good morning, children. Welcome to our 6th standard maths class. Children, in the last week, we learned about in the chapter 2 measurement, isn't it? Shall we recall the portion, whatever we learned in the last week? Yes. So, first one, what is measurement? What are the basic units of the measurement? And universally, what metric units are accepted? So, what are the first one? So, for length in meter and weight in gram, and third one, capacity of the liter. Okay. Then, you will see this also. This, what is this? This is the table, metric table chart. Yeah, above, if you buy here, already told to buy here this table, isn't it? See, here I am given G for what? Gram, kilogram. So, all the tables are same only. Instead of G, if you take is a weight means you put G for the each. Otherwise, if you length means you put meter, mm. Instead of G, you should write M. If it's the capacity, liter means you should put L for instead of G. Okay. So all the tables are same only. How many tables are here? How many parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 boxes are here. So different measurements are there. So among these 7 measurements, already told you which one is the very smallest one. Milligram. Which is the largest one? Kilogram. Okay. So I wrote in descending order: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. So mg, milligram. Okay. If we take meter means kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, m. So G or m or L, liter. Or deciliter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, mm. Okay, for L means, so instead of G, you should write everything. Okay. So, first of all, I told to put the table and by here the table. So, the smallest size is milligram, largest size is kilogram or kilo, a milli and kilo. And small size one is what? Centigram. Okay. So medium size means gram. So other than this, no need to write compare this. So because in our sums, in a day-to-day life also, we are not going to use this decimal as a this and this 3s are we not going to use it. These 3 milligram, centigram, gram, or meter or liter and kilogram only we are going to use in a day-to-day life. Okay. If I want to, now I am going to explain how to form the table. Table means I told no 1 kilogram equal to how many gram, that's what I told. So if I want to convert anything, that means if you convert to higher unit to lower unit to higher unit means, first of all, I told you have to multiply or divide with the power of 10s. Power of 10 means, see, this is 10. This is 10. So, in the tens form, you should write for 10. How many tens are there? 10. So, 1 kilogram, no need to 10. Put right here. So, here you see, in the tens form means 10 to the power means 10 power 1 means, so this is called as a power 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 1, 10 power 2, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. See, 10 to the power 1 means you should multiply 10 into 1. 1 10. How many tens are 10? 10 will come, 1 times will come. So 1 tens are 10. 1 into 10, 1 tens are 10. 10 power 2, 10 to the power 2 means you should multiply 10 into 2 times. That means 10 power 2 means 10 into 10, 100. Okay, so simply I will say now, power 2 means you put 2 0. Power 3 means 1 and 3 0. 10 to the power 4 means 1. How many 0 we need to put? Yes, 4 0. 10 to the power 5 means you should write 5 0. Very good. 10 to the power 6 means how many 0 we put? Yes, 6 0. That's all. So this is called powers of 10. This is called powers of 10. So now I am going to say one secret, that is how to change the form the rule. Okay, if you know it, if you understand this part, powers of 10 means you can easily do the sums. See, for example, I am going to take kilogram. 1 kilogram equal to 1 kilogram equal to how many hectogram? Okay, so 1 kilogram in near hectogram is here. So how many tens are here? So kilo to hecto. How many tens are there? 110. So 1 kilogram equal to 10 hectare. Okay. So next 1 to deca. 1 kilogram equal to how many deca? So if 1 kilo to deca means how many tens are there? 1, 2. 2 tens are there. So power 10 to the power 2 hectogram. Kilo decagram means 10 to the power 2 means what? 100 decagram. Okay, so 1 kilogram to gram. 1 kilogram to how many gram? So how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 means, what's the answer? How many 0 will come? 3 0 means 1000 gram. Okay, so 10 to the power 4, 1 to decigram. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 0, 10 to the power 4 means 10,000 decigram. 1 kilogram to centigram means power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens are there. So 10 to the power 5 means 1 lakh centigram. So 1 kilogram equal to 1 lakh centigram. So if you ask milligram means 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 means 1 10 lakhs. So 1 kilogram equal to 10 lakhs milligram. Okay. If you ask if you put liter means you should instead of K G you should liter. The same only, same table only. This is the power of tens. Power of tens. If we use it means we can easily form the table. Okay children, let us see this example sum. 26 kiloliter into liter. So now we are going to convert kiloliter to liter. So if we compare to kiloliter to liter, which one is the big one? Kiloliter is the big one. So therefore, what was the rule for to convert higher unit to lower unit? If we convert higher unit to lower unit means, first the rule is you should multiply the given number with the powers of tens. Power of tens. Power of tens means first of all you form the rule first. So kiloliter to liter means 1 kiloliter equal to how many liter? I already told now. So in the liter, when it will come? In the fourth place. So 1 kiloliter to next fourth place it will come. Isn't it? Fourth place, fifth, sixth, seventh. First place, seventh place, sixth place, fifth place and fourth place it will come. So how many zeros will come? So what is the power of tens? 3. So 3 power of 3 liter means 1000 liter. So 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter means 26 kiloliter equal to 26 into 1000. What is the answer? 26,000 liter. Okay. Okay children, let us see the next one. Number 2, 4000 milligram into gram. So milligram into gram, if we compare to milligram and gram, which is the biggest one? Gram is the biggest one. So here we are going to convert lower unit to higher unit. Lower unit to higher unit means the rule is you should divide the number by the power of tens. So power of tens means first you find out the milligram to gram, what is the power. Okay, so a gram is the biggest one, so 1 gram equal to how many milligram? So gram to milligram, how many tens will come? 3 tens will come, so 10 to the power 3 milligram. So about 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Therefore 4000 milligram equal to how many gram? Already told you what is the rule. You should divide the given number by the power of tens. Power of tens is 10 power 3. So therefore 4000 divided by 1000 milligram. So we need to change as to gram. 3 zeros are cancelled, equal to 4 gram. What was the answer? Answer equal to 4 gram. Okay, this is the rule, ma. Whatever given, you should first of all already told no. First you find out the powers of tens from the number 2. From how many powers will come, then form the formula. After that, if it is small to big means, that is smaller unit to bigger unit means you should divide it. Bigger unit to smaller unit means you should multiply the given number. That is the rule. Okay. Let us see the next sum. Whatever we are going to see the next one. Children, so one more information. In between, I am going to give the question, homework questions. I am not going to give the separate question. In between the sums only, I am going to give the homework questions. So be alert. Please watch full video. Okay. Don't skip here and there and put the answer. Any whatever it is. I'm going to explain the question, how to do the sums. Okay. I'm going to explain the question, the homework question I will explain. Please watch and after that you just do it, because these sums will comes in the coming test. Okay, so be prepared well. Let us go to the sums. Okay. Okay, children. Now let us see this. In exercise number 2.1, fourth question. Convert into higher units. Convert into higher units. Okay. Let us see the question. 13,000 millimeter. So what is the question? We need to convert 30,000 millimeter into, see in the bracket they given 3 units. Units are given: kilometer, meter, centimeter. So we need to change millimeter to kilometer, millimeter to meter, and millimeter to centimeter. So children, simply they given one number, and how many questions are there? 3 questions are there. We need to change 3 forms of units. Okay. Then one more thing. I told you how to convert higher units to lower units, higher units. See, among these 4 units, which one is very small one? Yes, millimeter is very small, isn't it? The small unit is centimeter. The medium unit is meter. The higher unit is kilometer. So this is a very small one. So we need to, among this one, this one is very small. So we need to lower unit to, we need to convert lower unit to, these 3 are higher units only. When you compare to millimeter, these 3 are higher units only. So we need to convert lower to higher. So lower to higher means what was the rule? So what was the rule? If you need to convert the lower unit to higher unit means we need to divide the given number by the power of tens. Power of tens means, see this table, already I told you how to form the tables, isn't it? So whatever given, first of all you have to find the relation between the units, whatever is given now. You just find out the relation between. See, in this question, first we need to change as to millimeter to kilometer. Okay. Now I am going to teach you how to find out the how to form the rule for these units. Already I teach you, again I will teach you. See this table. So already I told you millimeter is the very smallest one, kilometer is the very highest one. So in between how many tens are there? Just you need to change as to kilometer means, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 6 tens are there? 6 tens. So what is the power of 10? 6 to power 10 to the power 6. Okay. So kilometer to, so 1 kilometer equal to how many millimeter? 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 means very easy only. What is it? So 1 kilometer equal to 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into. So we need to multiply all the 10. So whatever, if you multiply it means, you will got, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. So totally 6 tens are there. So 1 kilometer equal to 100,000. So 1 kilometer equal to so 1 kilometer equal to 10 to the power 6 millimeter. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 kilometer equal to 10,000 plus 10 lakhs millimeter. So therefore 1 kilometer equal to 10 lakhs millimeter. So first you form the rule first. Already told you, if you need to smaller unit to higher unit means, what was the rule? What was the rule? So 13,000 divided by 10 lakh millimeter. 13,000 divided by 10 lakh millimeter. So you should, already told you, if you need to lower to higher means, you should divide the given number by the power of tens. Here power of 10 is 6. So you put 6 zeros for that. So after that, so kilometer, we need to change this to kilometer. So therefore, how many zeros are there? 1, 1, cancel. This should cancel. Divide means cancel only. So 3, sorry. 3, see 3 zeros are 3 0 cancel. What was remaining? 13 by 1000. 13 by 1000 means, already told you how to put the zeros for, how to divide the number by 10, 100, 1000. In the last class we will see that. So now I told you how to do the answer, write the answer. So by 1000 means how many zeros are here? 3 0. So that means we need to put the point after the digits of 3. Okay. So here how many digits are here? 2 digits are here. So 1, 2. So third one is not here. They are not given any numbers, not the coming means you put 0 for the third 0. Then put point and add one more 0 for the whole number. So therefore 0.013 kilometer, that is the answer. Therefore 13,000 millimeter is equal to how many kilometer? 0.013 kilometer. That is the answer. See children, I think all understand this. Now the first one. So I already told you we need to convert millimeter to kilometer. This is over. Then this is the first one. The first one we found 13,000 millimeter to 0.013 kilometer we found. The next one is, so we need to change as to meter to millimeter. In meter, where is meter here? Here only. So on meter equal to how many millimeter? So what is the power of tens? Just leave the meter for the next power. How many power tens are there? There are 3 tens are. 10 to the power 3 means only 30. 1 with 30. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter. So therefore, again we need to change as to millimeter means 13,000 whole divided by 1000. What is it? Meter. So we need to convert into meter. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 3 zeros will cancel. Divided by 1 means 13 divided by 1 means 13 only. So the answer is what? 13 meter. Answer is what? 13 meter. 13,000 millimeters equal to 13 meter. Okay. So the answer is over. 13,000 millimeters equal to 13 meter over. Third one, we need to change as to centimeter. Centimeter means, in centimeter, how many millimeters there? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, because the power of 110. Power of 110. So therefore, 13,000 divided by 10. What need to change it? Centimeter. So, how many zeros are here? 1 only, 1 0. Just cancel 1, 1. So, what is the remainder? 1300 centimeter. So, 13,000 kilometer is equal to 1300 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. I hope all are understand this very well. Shall we move to the next sum? So, let's see this question. This sum is homework. Already told you now. In between only I am going to give the question as a sum. So, as a homework. So, see the sum 8257 ml milliliter into, you need to change as to kiloliter liter. So, instead of meter, you should put LL for M. Okay. So, you just change as to milliliter to kiloliter, milliliter to liter. This is the homework sum. This is homework. Which is that? This is the first homework. Homework number 1. Homework number 1. Let us go to the next sum. Let us see the 5th question. Convert into lower units. So here in this sum we need to convert the lower unit means they given higher unit, isn't it? So what is given? 15 kilometer given. See this 4 unit, among the 4 unit, kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter, which is the very biggest one. Kilometer is the biggest one. So we need to convert kilometer to smaller one, meter, and very small one, centimeter, and very small one, millimeter. Isn't it, children? I told you, you should put the table like that. So, if you need to convert higher to lower means, higher unit to lower unit means, what is the rule? You should multiply the powers of tens with the given number. That's all. You should multiply the powers of tens and with the given number. What is given? That's the answer. So now we are going to form the rule. What is the rule first? Kilometer into meter. So you should, I already told you, you find out kilometer to meter. What is the power substance between kilometer to meter? See this? So 1 kilometer equal to, in kilometer to meter, in between how many tens are there? Just leave kilometer. So 1, 2, 3. So power of 10. 1, 2, 3 means, so 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 meter. That means what's the answer? Yes, 30 means 10,000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. This is the first rule. So 15 kilometer is into. What was the rule I told now? If you move to higher to lower means you should multiply the number with the rule. So what was the rule? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So therefore 15 into 1000 meter. What's the answer? 15 into 1000 meter. Very good. 15,000 meter. So first answer over. First one find out answer over. Second one, kilometer to centimeter. Kilometer centimeter means you should see that 1 kilometer equal to, what is the power of tens between kilometer to centimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Centimeter is here. So 10 to the power 5 centimeter. That means how many per zero we need to put for this? Yes, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 1 lakh centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So therefore 15 kilometer into 1 lakh centimeter equal to 15 lakh centimeter. So yes. So how many centimeters are? 15 lakh centimeter. Okay. So that is the second rule. So first rule we found. Second rule also we found. What is the third rule? We need to kilometer to millimeter. So what is the powers of 10 between kilometer to millimeter? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 kilometer equal to 10 to the power 6 millimeter. So 1 kilometer equal to 10 lakh. How many zero we need to put? 6 0. 4, 5, 6. 6 means 10 lakh millimeter. So this is the third rule for this. So third rule means, so 15 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeter. So whatever we multiply with the number, we will get the same answer. So 15 into 3 0, the 6 0, 4, 5, 6 millimeter. So 1,50,000 centimeter. What's the answer? Sorry, millimeter. 1,50,000 millimeter is the answer. See children, this is very easy now. Already told you now. If you not understand the answer means, again you recall it, you see the video. Again and again you should use the video. You can easily find it. Okay. Let us see the next one. Now next sum is the fifth Roman. First one I will finish. The second sum is a homework. Now I am going to write the homework and I will explain how to do the sum. And let us see this. Question number 2 as a homework. 12 kilogram equal to, we need to convert 12 kilogram into gram and milligram. Instead of m, you should put a g for that. So gram, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram. It will come like that. And form the rules first. After that, so here kilogram the higher one, we need to change as to the lower unit. What was the rule? How to do the sum? Yes, first you form the rule and then multiply with the given number. Okay, children. Let us see the next sum. So this is the question number 2 for the homework sum. So in the sixth sum, what the title? You should put the symbol for greater than, less than or equal symbol. So what is the symbol for this? Greater than, and this is less than, and the equal to symbol. So you should put appropriate for this what are given in the box, no? So you should put this symbol for the in the box. Okay. Okay, listen, see the question. First one, 800 gram plus 150 gram. So this is greater than or less than or equal to 1 kilogram. So now in this sum we are going to whatever given in the right side you add, you compare with the left side. Okay. Okay, see this. So this is what they given. 800 gram plus 150 gram. Children, already told you, if you want to add anything means, first of all you should see the units. Whether it's the same means you can add, you can subtract, you can multiply. Otherwise you can't do that. Okay, you can divide also. So first see this. Here also gram, here also gram. So 800 gram plus 150 gram, what is the answer? Yes, 950 gram. So 950 gram, is it equal to 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram means how many grams are there? 1 kilogram equal to, yes, 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Because here they given kilogram. So if you want to compare, here also compare means here you need to change just to gram only. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 950 gram equal to 1000. Is it equal to 1000 gram? 950 is equal to 1000 gram? No. This is less than 1000 gram. So which symbol will come here? Is this? Is it come? Oh. Is there? This is less than less than symbol. So what is the answer? So this answer is less than. So what is the answer? 800 gram plus 150 gram is less than to 1 kilogram. Okay. So next 600 ml plus 400 ml. So already told you. See this. Here what symbol is given? Additional given. So here also liter, here also ml. Here also ml, here also ml. So both the units are same. So you can add these two number. 600 plus 400 what? Yes. 1000 ml. So 1000 ml is it equal to 1 liter. Here ml, here liter. Both are equal, no? So 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? How many liter? 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. So 1000 milliliter. So there also 1000 milliliter, here also 1000 milliliter. So what the answer will come? Answer equal to. So these answer equal. Okay. Okay, let's see the third sum. 6 meter, 25 centimeter. This side 600 centimeter, 25 centimeter. Okay, children, already told you 6 meter, 25 centimeter means in meter how many centimeter there? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter. So 6 meter means 600 plus 25 totally centimeter. 600 plus 25, 625 centimeter. Okay, 625 means 6 meter means 600 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. If we add it, 625 centimeter. So in this side, what is given? 600 centimeter, 25 centimeter. So these two units are same. So 600 plus 25, 625 centimeter. So see this. So here they are given one twist question. The same question only 600 centimeter, 25 centimeter given. So here 6 meter and 25 centimeter. 6 meter, 25 centimeters, 625 centimeter. Okay. So both the answers are equal. So what is the answer will come here? Equal to. Equal. Fourth sum. 88 centimeter, 8 meter, 8 centimeter. So 88 centimeter. So here we no need to change anything. The full answer is 88 centimeter only. 8 meter means how many centimeter? 20 centimeter. 8 meter means 800 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter equal to 800 centimeter. So 800 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter means where you have to put the 8 for one digit, not here. Okay. So these are not 0 only. 8 centimeter means 008 centimeter. If you add it, what answer will come? 808 centimeter, isn't it? 808 centimeter. See, so 88 centimeter is it equal to 808 centimeter? Is not equal because 88 is 808 centimeter. So I think if we compare both centimeter, which one is greater? Yes, this one because it is only 88. Yeah, 808 centimeter. So this is only greater. So you put the symbol as I say 88 centimeter is less than 808 centimeter. Okay. Okay, children. Let us see the next one. Fifth sum 55 gram. Here 550 milligram. See, here you no need to change anything. See the first. This is 55 gram. 550 milligram. So here what we have to change it first. We have to convert higher to lower, gram to milligram. So in milligram, but milligram to higher also we can change it. So both the answer are given. So first of all, see this in gram means how many grams are there? 55 gram means how many milligram? 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So 55 gram is equal to 55 into 1000. What will come? 55,000 milligram. So 55,000 milligram is it equal to 550 milligram? Is it equal? It's not equal because the bigger one. So therefore you should put greater than symbol. So this one is equal is greater than this number. Okay. I hope all of you understand. Let us see the next one.